Our body is amazing. It's home to every memory you've ever made. It gets you where you're going every day. We hang out with our own bodies all the time, so we tend to take them for granted. But if you stop and think about everything your body does, you just might consider how great it is. All the time your body's doing a million things that you're not even aware of, like digesting breakfast, growing new skin, and carrying oxygen to cells from head to toe and ear to ear. You may have a bunch of cool body tricks up your sleeve, whether you can flip your eyelids inside out or have mastered the art of the tongue roll. There are countless incredible things you didn't know about your body that are sure to amaze you.
Hey friends. I am Jish and you are watching The Learner's Trend. Here are 5 facts about your body. 1. The human heart creates enough pressure to squirt blood 30 feet. You may not think much about your heart as it pumps away faithfully. It beats 1 lakh times a day. Each minute your heart pumps 1.5 gallons of blood. For its size, your heart is a remarkably strong pump. The pressure it generates is strong enough to squirt blood 30 feet across a room. Over the course of your lifetime, your heart will pump 1 million barrels of blood. That's enough blood. Isn't it amazing? 2. The human brain is 80% water. If you have ever considered how much of your brain is water, then the answer to it is 80%. That's right. It is estimated that about 3/4 of our brain is water. As such, even slight dehydration can cause fatigue, headaches, lack of mental clarity, stress and sleep issues. So, with 80% of our brain being made with water, it is only obvious that we need to keep ourselves hydrated. Brain cells require a delicate balance between water and various elements to operate optimally, or else it could reduce the brain cell's efficiency. When the brain is not performing at its best, due to dehydration, you could lose the ability to concentrate for a longer period. It could also lead to mood swings and affect your memory. Thus, to improve the efficiency of your brain, drinking water is essential. Isn't it amazing? Three. Your brain operates on 10 watts of power. The brain operates on the same amount of power as 10-watt light bulb, even while you are sleeping. In fact, the brain is much more active at night than during the day. According to a computer scientist at Stanford University, the brain is capable of performing 10 quadrillion, that's 10 to the 16th, calculations, or synaptic events, per second using only 10 watts of power. At this rate, he says, a computer as powerful as the human brain would require 1 gigawatt of power. The human brain is one of the most energy-hungry organs in the body, thereby increasing its vulnerability. If the energy supply is cut off for 10 minutes, there is permanent brain damage. There is no other organ nearly as sensitive to changes in its energy supply. Glucose is the main energy source for the brain. As the size and complexity of the brain increases, energy requirements increase. Isn't it amazing? 4. The human brain cell can hold 5 times as much information as an encyclopedia. Yes. You have heard right. 5 times as much information as the encyclopedia. Scientists have yet to settle on a definitive amount, but the storage capacity of the brain in electronic terms is thought to be 1,000 terabytes. The National Archives of Britain, containing over 900 years of history, only takes up 70 terabytes, making your brain's memory power pretty darn impressive. Memory has long been described as a function of brain cells getting together and forming connections. A new study finds single cells can remember things. Individual nerve cells, called neurons, in the front part of the brain can hold traces of memories by themselves for up to a minute, perhaps longer. Isn't it amazing? 5. Your nose can remember 1 trillion different scents, and women are better smellers than men. A rose, a fresh cup of coffee, a wood fire. These are only 3 of the roughly 1 trillion scents that the human nose and brain are capable of distinguishing from each other, according to a new study. Researchers had previously estimated that humans could sense only about 10,000 odors, but the number had never been explicitly tested before. So how exactly does human sense of smell work? When odors enter the nose, they travel to the top of the nasal cavity to the olfactory cleft where the nerves for smell are located. There, the odorant is detected by various receptors located on the nerve cells, and the combination of activated nerves travel to the brain. The combination of activated nerves generates all the unique smells that we as humans can detect. Women always are better at odor and smell identification than men. One of the reasons for this may be that women have a more developed orbital prefrontal region of the brain. It may have also evolved from an ability to discern the best possible mates, or to help women better bond with and understand newborns. Isn't it amazing? Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get updates of more videos like this.